What's up, internet? This is Skinny at Coburg Nissan, and behind me I've got a 2016 Nissan Rogue SL Premium. It's got a ton of advanced safety features, luxury features. Let's go have a look. Alright guys, so this 16 SL Premium Rogue is a beauty. Leather, panoramic sunroof, advanced safety features, and just under 45,000 K. It is a great find. So one of the advanced safety features I want to tell you about is forward emergency braking. As I back up here, I'm going to give you a little demonstration. So let's just pretend this is the Rogue driving along, and then you're on the radio and you're adjusting the station, and all of a sudden the traffic starts to creep up on you. It's slowing down because, hey, we live in Toronto. Well, there's a radar box in the front of the Rogue that sees that, and it will adjust the speed accordingly, apply the brakes, and can even bring the Rogue to a complete stop, hence the term forward emergency braking, and actually stop the vehicle for you to prevent a collision in front. Of course, it's not foolproof, but the idea is that it will stop the collision, or at best, it would obviously reduce the impact on the front of the car. So a great safety feature to have. Now, the Rogue SL features these beautiful 18-inch alloy wheels, only available on the SL Premium Rogue. Have that gun metallic finish on it, looks great. You've got the LEDs in the side mirrors as well, satin aluminum roof rails up top, and a really nice silver finish on this Rogue. Now, as we come around the side here, one of the features that you get on the Rogue is you get a power tailgate, and I can't find the keys in my pocket, so we're just going to use this button underneath. You can see here that tailgate opens up powerless. It's a power tailgate. I don't know how to explain it in that. Inside here, we've got the divide and hide cargo system, as well as this tonneau cover here. Now, most people are going to get rid of that and put that in the garage, because when you have a look at here, how cool is this? Watch this. So you can pop this up like that, and now you've got a divider. You can see here we got the snow brush, but you can have your milk, your eggs, your delicate groceries there, and then behind it all your other groceries. Or another thing you can do is you can take this and put it up here, and now you have a dual layer system. Very cool. And then last but not least, let's say you needed to hide something back here. Maybe you just bought a laptop and you're about to do some groceries, just like that, and now boom, everything behind there is hidden. Very cool system, very slick. It is called the divide and hide cargo system. All right, and then you've got the button up here, close up the tailgate, bring it back down. You can see the SL badging on the tailgate here. Really, really nice condition this Rogue is. I like the silver finish too. You don't see a lot of them in silver. It looks really sharp. As we come around the front, another great feature on the SL Premium Rogue is you have these LED headlights here. So these headlights are LED, as well as the daytime running lights as well. So that's that super bright white light that you're gonna get. Covers the whole surface of the road, really nice look. You can see the fog lights, lots of chrome on the car. And then let's go have a peek in the back row here. No surprises back here. There's 3 seats, an armrest, and they are reclining seats as well. But have a look here, we've got a beautiful panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to this back seat here, which is really, really nice. Gives it a nice open, airy feel. And these are stadium seating, which means that these seats sit up higher than the seats in front, which gives you a better view of the road in the back. And that really helps for people who might feel a little claustrophobic or just a little car sick. You get a better view of the road in the back, which is nice. You can see here that sunroof comes all the way to the front. Have these beautiful leather seats. No odors, no smells, non-smoker. Power driver's seat as well, which is great. And then over here we've got all the buttons for the safety shield, which is that forward emergency braking. We've got your all-wheel drive lock, your power tailgate, sport and eco modes. Everything is there for that. Let's hop in here. Ooh, it is cold out, guys. So up front here we've got your advanced your driver display control here, which is this screen, the button to control that, your volume control, your cruise control on the other side with your Bluetooth. Now what I want to show you up top here is, check this out. So low temperature warning, yeah, no kidding. So up top, when I use the this button here, the display control, it goes through all the different settings and outputs for the vehicle, your range, your average speed, your fuel economy, and everything is located right here, right in front, which is really smart. You don't have to go through the infotainment system. Everything's just right there, a quick, simple look down. Now, another safety features on the vehicle is the blind spot warning, which I'll show you here. When you have the vehicle in the blind spot, that amber light turns on and lets you know not to make your lane change, which is really great. And then you also have lane departure control, which basically means when you're driving, it sees the lines in the road and will let you know if you're drifting in and out of them. Perhaps you're getting a little sleepy. It'll give you a warning saying, hey, are you sleepy? Wake up. Whatever the case is, it gives you that alert, so that way you don't, drift through lanes, which is obviously a good safety feature to have. Now we have the touchscreen navigation system here, which is just loading up. I guess I shut off the car to show you the blind spot light. Let's see here. There we go. So you got a touchscreen navigation system here. You also have Sirius satellite radio by subscription. You have Bluetooth streaming from your phone. So if you have Google, Spotify, Amazon, YouTube, all these amazing streaming services, you can stream them through your phone wirelessly. And that way you have all your cool services there, and a USB input as well to charge up your phone and play audio through the USB if you like. Now, another cool feature is when I put the car in reverse, we have the reverse cam there, the reverse cam, and you also have this awesome top-down view here, which is called the Nissan bird's eye view, which is great because this is going to help you park in those parking spots, get you lined up all nice. It also shows you any objects that might be around you. And speaking of objects, this vehicle now has moving object detection, which is great. So most people become slaves to the reverse camera, right? We put in reverse, use the camera, back out of the driveway. Well, oftentimes there's a car coming up or down the road that we may not see. So it uses the rear sonar and the back bumper to check for that. And if there's a car approaching on the sides, the box will light up yellow saying, hey, have a look, there's something coming. It's just a nice feature to have, so that way, if you are using the reverse camera, you don't miss out on other things and accidentally pull out in the road when there's somebody coming. Now here's a cool little Nissan hack. If you push the camera button while you're in drive, it gives you a front camera view. So there's that Frontier in front of us, and it gives you a front camera view, so that way you don't go bumping into these. See that stupid cement post there? Walmart has them, all those parking lots have those cement posts. When you push the camera button in drive when you're parking, you're gonna get that front camera view, so you don't bump into those, because that is a nuisance for sure. Moving down, we have dual zone climate control. So you can see here, we've got independent temperatures. We got 23 degrees on one side, 20 on the other side, and that will solve a lot of husband and wife fights, I'm sure. Down below, we've got the USB auxiliary input and 12-volt charging station. And then up here, we've got your driver and passenger heated seats, a high and low setting on both. And that'll get those seats nice and toasty warm very, very quickly. Last but not least, that audio and Sirius XM satellite radio, all that is powered through the Bose stereo system. Fantastic stereo in this Rogue. Sounds great. Got, I think it's a 9-speaker system if I'm not mistaken, and it sounds fantastic in this small cab. Just to give you a better look at those rear seats. But guys, this is a great find. This Rogue only has 41,600 kilometers. Beautiful silver color, leather heated seats, navigation, panoramic roof, power tailgate, great safety features. It's a good find. Guys, my name is Skinny. I love working at Coburg Nissan, and you will love buying here. We have an online experience like no other. You can purchase this car right from the comfort of your own home. And best of all, we have free delivery practically right across Ontario. So if you're interested in that, give us a call or send us an email. We'll explain all the details. It is super simple. You just sit back and we'll take care of the rest. Even if you have a trade-in, we can take care of that as well. A couple pictures, some emails, and we're all set and done. So guys, if you're interested, please give us a call or send us an email. We'll explain how that works. And somebody will take home this beautiful 2016 SL Rogue. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and take care.